So in this video, we will learn how to get SMS notification when document is signed in HelloSign. Now suppose guys you are using HelloSign to get your document signature from your clients and customer, and you want that whenever a customer signs a document, you want to get a notification, a SMS notification that the document has been signed. Now let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be signature getting a document signed in HelloSign, and the action will be receiving an SMS notification on your number. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Now after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give your workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as HelloSign Twilio. And then just click on Create. And now we can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of document which are signed by user in HelloSign inside Pabbly Connect. So using HelloSign, we are sending some documents to our clients and customer for signature. And we want to get the data that whenever a user or customer signs that document, we want to get that response inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send those details to Twilio and we will set up an automation using which whenever a document is signed by a user, automatically we will get a SMS notification on our number using Twilio. So let's begin. So here in trigger window, in choose app, first we have to search for HelloSign. Select HelloSign over here. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, select webhook configuration. If you have a paid API plan of HelloSign, you can select trigger event as signature request declined or signature request signed as well. But if not, like right now I'm on the trial account of HelloSign, that's why I'm using webhook configuration as a trigger event. After selecting a trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. And here it is asking us for the API key and password to make the connection between HelloSign and Pabbly Connect. The help text below it says enter your API key and leave password field blank. So we just have to enter the API key of our HelloSign account and we just have to keep this password field as blank. Now guys, what we are going to do, we are going to get the API key from our HelloSign account. How we can get that? Just go to the dashboard of your HelloSign account and from the left side, go to integrations page. Now after that, here we can see an option named as API. Click on API and then click on generate key button. Give your API key a name. For example, I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. And then just click on generate key. And here a new API key is been generated. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect's connection window and paste it over here. And then just click on save. And now we can see that we have successfully connected our HelloSign account with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here we can see an important note which says you can filter a specific event by the value of the event type field in response. Example, signature request sent, signature request viewed, signature request signed, and other events as well. Now guys, here what it is, while setting up this trigger as webhook configuration, for each and every event, HelloSign will send the data to Pabbly Connect. So whenever a signature request is sent or viewed or signed or declined or any event occurring in HelloSign regarding the signatures, HelloSign will send all of those details using the webhook URL to Pabbly Connect. But we want to get the SMS notification for a specific event of signature request signed. So using a feature of Pabbly Connect that is filter, we will just filter out, we will add a condition that if we get the data of signed request, then only we will get the SMS notification. Then only this workflow will be executed further. How we can do that? We will see this further in this video. But first, let's capture the response of a signature request signed. So what we are going to do, just hit on this save and send test request button and now it has changed to waiting for response, which means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some data, some response of a new document signed from HelloSign. So here right now in my HelloSign account, I have already sent a document to one of my own email address for signature. So the name of the document is test document and I have sent this document to one of my email address. So let's check the email inbox of that account. So we'll go to email inbox and here we can say that we have received, the user has received a document for signature. Let's click on this review and sign button and the document which I have sent, you can see that that document is open over here. Now let's sign this document. So here we have the sign field, click to sign. Let's make a test signature, a dummy signature. Let's click insert and continue. I agree. So right now as a user, just now we have signed the document. So from our HelloSign account, we have sent the document for signature to a user and as a user, we have signed the document. Now as the document is signed, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect and here in Pabbly Connect workflow, we can see that we have received some response. So in this response, we will get all the details regarding the signed document. We have the name of the user who has signed the document. So to this user, that document was sent, dummy user. So we have the name of the user. We have the email address of the user, that on what email address we have sent the document. Then we have the timestamp for the time. So at what date and time we have received the signature that the user has signed, we have the timestamp for that. Also, when we will scroll down, we will find other details as well, like the name of the document. So this is the original name of the document which we have sent, test document. After that, we can find other details regarding to it as well. Also, in this important note, guys, we can it is showing us that we can add some kind of filters to add some kind of conditions as well. So here in this response of JSON event type, we have received a response themed as signature request sign. So for this event, we have received this data. Now guys, the condition is using this configure webhook trigger event, we will get the details or the data for all the event. Like if you send the document, if the user views the document, signs it or declines it, for all the conditions, we are getting the data inside Pabbly Connect. But we want to receive the SMS notification only if the event type is signature request signed, means only if the user signs the document. Now in this case, guys, we have to add a filter. How we can do that? Just scroll down, come to our action window and select filter over here. Now after that, in select label on the left side, here we can see that all the responses of data which we have received from HelloSign, it can be seen over here in this dropdown. And in this dropdown from all of these labels, we have to select this label of JSON event type. Just select this response. The filter type will be equals to, and the value will be this signature underscore request underscore sign. Just copy this value from here and paste it over here. So in this way, guys, we have added a condition, a filter that if the event type is this, then only this automation workflow will be executed further and we will get the SMS notification. If the event type is something else other than this, we won't be getting the SMS notification. After that, guys, just scroll down and hit on save and send test request. And now we can see that it is showing us condition is true. Now because we have received this response for a document being signed by a user, that's why it is showing us the condition is true. Now we have received the data or the response of signed document and also we have added the filter. Now what we have to do, we have to finally set up the step to get SMS notification. For that, here after filter step, just click on this add action step button. And then in choose app, we have to search for Twilio. So in this video, I am using Twilio to send or receive the messages. Instead of Twilio, you can use any other SMS sending service as well. So after selecting your service, in action event, just select send SMS message and connect your account. Right now here by clicking on connect and selecting add new connection, I'm going to connect my Twilio account. So for this connection, it is asking us for the account SID and authorization token of a Twilio account. Now guys, the question arises how you can get the account SID and authorization token. For that, we'll just go to the dashboard of our Twilio account. We will scroll down and here you can see that account SID and authorization token can be seen over here. Just click on this, copy this account SID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And once again over here as well. After that, get back to Twilio, copy this auth token, get back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here as well. And after entering account SID and authorization token, just click on save. And now we can see that we have successfully connected our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the body of the SMS. That the SMS which we are sending, what is the body? So here I want my SMS to start as hello, and after hello, I wanted to mention my name, my own name. For example, hello admin, that is my name, for example. And then here I want my message to start as I want to mention the name of the person who has signed the document. So here we have received the name of the person from the responses of HelloSign. So from this responses, in the drop down below, we can see all of these responses. So out of all of these responses, select the response of name of the user and map it. So whoever user will sign the document, we will get his name in the response and we will map that response over here. So I want my message to be hello admin dummy user, means the name of the person who has signed the document has successfully. And after that, we wanted to mention the name of the document, that on what document the user has signed. So we have the name of the person who has signed the document, and now we want to mention the name of the document. So we will scroll down and here we can see that the name of the document, request original title. Just select it and map it over here. So the complete message is hello admin, dummy user has successfully signed the document. Just a second, signed the document. And then just add thank you. So this is the kind of a simple one-line basic SMS message which I want to receive on my number whenever a user signs the document. Instead of this, if you want to add, you can add multiple details, add more details for the signed document over here. You can add the time, the email address and other details as well. In this video, I'm just keeping this message very simple, very basic. After this guys, after body of the SMS, here it is asking us sender number. Now guys, in sender's number, we have to mention the sender's number of our Twilio account. How we can get this? Get back to Twilio and here you can see that my Twilio phone number. Just copy it from here and go to Pabbly Connect and paste this number over here in the sender number section. And at last, it is asking us for the recipient number. Now here in recipient number guys, we have to enter our own number on which we want to get the SMS notification. So the help text below it says, enter the contact number of the recipient to whom we are sending the message. Example this. And here in this example, we can see that we have to enter the recipient mobile number with plus sign and country code. So guys, I'll just enter my mobile number with country code and plus sign. And after entering our number, just hit on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here we can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the SMS whose body we have created over here, the SMS has been sent on this number. Now let's check the SMS inbox of this number as well. And yes guys, here you can see that we have received a message on this number which says, hello admin, dummy user has successfully signed the test document. Thank you. So we have the name of the user who has signed the document and also we have the name of the document which has been signed. So in this way, we have successfully created this automation workflow in which whenever a user will sign the document which we have sent using HelloSign, automatically we will receive a SMS notification on our number. So guys, let's understand what are the steps we followed to set up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And in this workflow, we have selected HelloSign as a trigger application and webhook configuration was our trigger event. Then after that, we have connected our HelloSign account with Pabbly Connect and then we have received the data or the response of a new document being signed inside Pabbly Connect. Now after that, we were supposed to get the response for all of the event. So using a feature of Pabbly Connect that is filter, we have added a condition in this automation workflow that if we get the response for a signed document, then only we should receive the SMS notification. To ensure this condition, we have added the filter. And at last, we have sent all of this data to Twilio so that we can get SMS notification whenever a user signs the document which we send them using HelloSign. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications inside Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.